What's up guys, Lou here, and today I'm gonna share some tips on how to keep your car looking and smelling new. Now before we actually start washing the car, we first wanna give it a rinse to remove any loose debris. Now on to washing. The real trick here is to get two separate buckets, one with soapy water and one with clean water. First, you wanna use the soapy water, and you wanna be sure to use a proper car soap. You shouldn't be using dish detergent. Next step is to rinse the sponge in the clean water, removing any debris you may have collected from the hood of the car. Then you can return it back to the soapy water. Now after you've rinsed it, you wanna make sure to dry it off completely. If you don't, you might end up with some spots. Also, a good idea is to use a microfiber cloth. They work really well. When you move on to cleaning your wheels and tires, make sure to use a product that is water-based and non-corrosive. Clean the glass last, as it'll have grime and dirt from all of the other steps. When cleaning the inside of your windshield, try to use a cleaner that's ammonia-free, as ammonia can harm your interior. To keep your mats clean, try using some compressed air. It works surprisingly well. Check that out. Another way to keep that new car smell is to use that same compressed air that we used on the mats on the vents. Finally, try throwing one of these dryer sheets underneath your front seats to keep the car smelling fresh. You may have seen that tip in our top 5 car hacks video. If you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out. There's a link down in the description. So there you have it. You've got no excuses. Following those steps, you can have your car looking fresh and clean, just like this Focus. Thanks very much for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this,